Hello friends, the 2025 Cadillac Optic is the electrifying new luxury entry point for the next generation of EV buyers. Few highlights of its features are Cadillac Optic estimated 300 mile of range, standard dual motor all-wheel drive, standard Super Cruise with 3-year connected service, segment best in cargo capacity and second row spaciousness, an innovative, expressive interior and bold exterior design. Cadillac Optic include 85 kWh battery pack with a standard dual motor all-wheel drive propulsion system that offer a Cadillac estimate 300 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of instant torque. At full charge, Cadillac Optic offer a Cadillac estimated 300 mile of range and a DC fast charging can add up to 79 miles of range in about 10 minutes only. Cadillac Optic offer Regen on Demand, a driver-controlled braking feature that allow the driver to slow down or stop the Optic with a dedicated pressure-sensitive pedal located on the steering wheel. One pedal driving allow the driver to slow down or stop the vehicle using only the accelerator under the most driving conditions. The system also converts kinetic energy from optics forward momentum into electricity which is stored in the battery pack for future use. Cadillac Optic gives the driver the opportunity to switch between the several driving modes, including Tour used for everyday driving, Sports for enhanced road driving and improved steering, Snow Ice to prevent wheel spin, and My Mode which personalizes the driving experience with adjustable braking responsiveness and steering feel. The 2025 Cadillac Optic unique exterior design, roof encompassing glasswork. The fixed glass roof enables a seamless traction from glass to sheet metal. Black crystal grille. Cadillac's signature black crystal grille incorporate the Cadillac vertical signature lighting and include a laser etched pattern with the grille that offer an understated high-tech feel. Rear quarter panel. Cadillac Optics rear quarter panel window designed to achieve through a Cadillac first precision pattern in acoustic laminate glass. The graphic pattern is found throughout Optic and aligned with the Mondrian crest in a nod to classic Cadillac styling. Signature lightning choreography. When the driver approach or exit the vehicle, their key fob begin a choreographed lightning sequence to greet them. The Optic interior experience also include segment best in cargo capacity and second row spaciousness. A 33 inches diagonal advanced LED display with 9K resolution projecting over 1 billion colors, which include touchscreen infotainment display and fully digital instrumental cluster. Super Cruise driver assistant technology will be standard, enabled by high-definition GPS mapping, driver attention system, lane-changing capabilities, and steering wheel light bar. Advanced radar, camera, and ultrasonic sensor technology integrated throughout Optic will help provide customer with enhanced view, sensing and monitoring their surrounding in a variety of everyday driving scenario. Standard safety and driver assistant technology, including adaptive cruise control, blind zone steering assistant, advanced automatic parking, front collision alert, and several others. Google built-in compatibility infotainment experience featuring Google Map and Google Assistant. Standard 19-speaker AKG audio system and Dolby Atoms. Dolby Atom is an immersive sound experience that reveals more depth, clarity, and detail in the customer's favorite music and entertainment. The AKG audio system features customer-tuned speaker and amplifier. Cadillac Optic will offered in two distinctive trims, luxury and sport, enabling the customer to choose the vehicle matches their own personality and preferences. Pricing starts an estimate of $54,000, including destination charges, including taxes, title, and license.